from his very young age. He had no sisters, brothers, cousins, or friends to take care of him. He did every kind of work such as carrying heavy things, clearing away the forests, and feeding the goats.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Can you just put it down there?
Alright, you are very sensible and hardworking boy. Everyone should pursue you.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
After chopping a pile of foods, Makato sat down and think about what will happen in the future.
What are you thinking so deeply, my boy? Oh, I'm thinking that the place over there. Oh, the place over there is called Sukhothai. I hear the king there is a kind-hearted king. The king there is Paruwang. Oh, I want to try a journey to adventure. You might enjoy going there. Oh, thank you, bro.
Nagmamadaling mag-shoes? Mag-coffee? Mag-makeup? Nagmamadaling magpaputi? Ang natural na puti ay hindi nadadaan sa madalian. Kailangan ng araw-araw na alaga ng Silka. May natural papaya enzymes at vitamin E. Sa Silka, ang kutis ay paganda ng paganda ng paganda. Alagang papaya, alagang Silka.
Makato left his village and tried his fortune. He walked along cheerfully while enjoying new sights. After some months of journey, he reached a village in the frontier of the kingdom of the Sukhothai.
Can I have some water to drink?
Yes, sure. But where did you came from?
Oh, I came from the city of Mount over there.
Over there? Then why did you come here?
I want to see Parang of Sukhothai.
You are determined, boy. Come along with me. We might see Parang someday. Makato, he is my husband. He is one of the Parang's mahouts.
Mahouts? What are mahouts?
We look up hundreds of elephants that the king owns.
May I come with you?
Sure, why not?
Oh, thank you. I'll be lucky enough if I meet the king. A clear blue sky in a fine weather. It will be a lucky day.
Makato starts working. Suddenly, a man with a splendid costume followed by attendants came in.
Makato, Parang is here.
Good afternoon, my king.
Where did he came from?
He is Makato.
I am Makato, Your Majesty.
He came from the city of Moon.
I heard you so much. That's why I launched to see you.
Really? How old are you?
I am 12 years old, Your Majesty.
You're good looking.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
As the king walked away, Makato saw a cowrie shell laying on the ground. Makato picked it up and held it out to the king, but the king refused it.
How wonderful. Thank you.
Even though that time, one cowrie shell had a little value, Makato wants to make as much as use of it as possible, for it was the king's gift.
Grabe, ang tagal ng practice. Hala! Walang marka? Paano yun?
Nag-rejoice kasi ako. Dahil sa bagong freeze repair ng Rejoice, tied up hair, stay smooth. Kaya pala! Minsan din kahit nasapa ang buhok mo pagpasok sa school, ang ganda pa rin niya kahit uwian. My new quick dry from Yalad, kaya kahit basa pa ang buhok ko, ganda pa rin ito for the whole day. Perfect! Para sa mga estudyanteng nagmamadali at wala ng oras para mag-ayos. Rejoice! For smooth and silky hair that lasts all day.
Can I buy lettuce seed? I have 1 coral shell here.
1 coral shell, you can buy anything with that.
How about this? I'll dip my fingers in the seeds, and whoever sticks on it, I'll take the seeds.
Why not? Help yourself.
Makato paid the woman with his cowrie shell. Then he put his finger into his mouth and dipped it into a pile of seeds. When he pulled his wet fingers out, it was covered with seeds. He scraped the seeds carefully and went away happily holding it. Makato broke the soil and started planting. And months passed by, his plants flourished.
I wish I can give the king some of my fine lettuce.
One day, Makato saw the king pass by. He waited his opportunity and he knelt down and proudly represented the lettuce that he harvested. He told the king the whole story. The king was very impressed with Makato's intelligence and industry. Later on, the king gave Makato a job on the palace.
Mula Bareta, lumipat ako sa Joy. Call kita! Alam mo din? Ako hindi. Mas matipid ang Bareta.
Talaga?
Oo, mas tumatagal to eh.
Mas tumatagal ang Joy. Kahit dalawahin mo pa yan.
Imposible.
Posible. Sa tamang kontrol. Ihalo ito sa 1 litrong tubig. Hugasan na!
Wala? May bisa sa Cebu?
Ang resulta, muling natalo ng Joy ang 2 pareta.
Tama ka! Kaya Joy na rin ako.
O ikaw, hindi ka mabilib sa Joy?
Makato was also happily married to a beautiful young daughter of the king. After he was given the title Kunwang, which means most important person in the king's court. So it was that Makato, who had once been a poor orphan, became the king of the prosperous kingdom.
Sa hindi inaasahan